Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Calderon Music Studio at A Touch of Classical Plus. I am Mrs. Phyllis, your violin and piano instructor. I am here to guide you on this journey of music making and instrument learning. So, um, I want you to be patient with yourself, be patient with your little one. If your student is between the ages of 3 and 7, there is a beautiful process that unfolds on this journey, and even for the older students too. But I'm speaking more to the parent and or grandparent caregiver of the very young student in particular. We need to have patience, and we need to develop that patience, which will cause us to have great endurance. And so I'm here to share with you and show you how to do that, because the journey that you are on, it's a beautiful one. And that patience that you will grow into as you teach your child. Yes, you are the at-home music teacher, and I will show you how to do that. And your endurance will grow as a result. And what beautiful music making you and your young one will have together, because you're learning together. So allow room for mistakes. Mistakes have to happen. That's how we grow. Allow room for exploration. You'll notice that your young child will explore on that instrument, will ask questions and share ideas as they're learning. Embrace all of that. Embrace, never dismiss what they are learning, those ideas that they come up with and put into their own words. It's a beautiful thing. So allow room for that exploration, and allow room for the questions that they have, the ideas that will formulate as a result of all this learning, and even the acknowledgments that they will express. So remember that we adults can learn from our young people. So just be open and allow room. And this is for you, children. Keep your listening ears on and your eyes wide open to your mom, your dad, your grandparent, whoever is bringing you to your lesson, whoever is your music coach at home. Keep your ears on and your eyes open to them and to me, because we are all here to help you learn and to help you grow on this beautiful music making journey. And finally, um, in the next video, again, I will go through the packet of that contains the worksheets, those beginning worksheets that we will go over together in class each week or at your private lesson. And the videos will serve as a supplement to what we do in class. So be sure to check out and come back periodically, or however often you need to come back to the video, so you can be refreshed and maybe glean something you didn't catch the first time. So again, welcome to the studio, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, my email or my text. So I look forward to helping you along the journey, and we'll see you in the next video.